Let's make stuffed mushroom. First, we're gonna chop our shrimp that is washed and deveil finely. You wanna get it as fine as possible until all your shrimp is finely chopped. Then you're gonna put that in a container. You're gonna add your cream cheese, your spinach, and then you're going to mix that very well till it looks like this. So at this point, you can add whatever cheese you like. I add some Italian mixed cheeses and then I mix that well also. I also add some sharp cheddar cheese just to give it a little bit more color. You guys can add all your cheese in at once, but I like to do it like this and check the consistency. So one ingredient doesn't overpower the other ingredients. This is how I've learned to cook, so yeah. But you guys can go ahead and add all your ingredients in all at once and then do one big mix and you're done. It's easier that way. Then we're gonna season it up. You can use whatever seasoning you like. I'm just using salt, pepper, and some Jamaican all-purpose seasoning, and that's it. And then I'm going to also mix that well. Then lastly, we're gonna add our chopped finely mushroom, and then we're just going to mix that well also. This is our final mix. So you wanna mix it really, really well and combine every ingredients together to give it that nice flavor, consistency, everything. You just want to mix it together. Everything is well combined. If you need to add more cheese, you can go ahead and add more. So now it's time to make our mushroom cup. If that makes sense, we're just going to clean out the inside of our mushroom and make a lot of space to put our stuffing in. And then we're also going to clean our mushroom with a paper towel. You don't want to wash the mushroom because the mushroom have too much water in it already to be adding more. So you want to repeat the same step, cleaning your mushroom, the inside of your mushroom to make a mushroom cup. And then you want to use a damp paper towel, wet paper towel to just clean the outside, just like the video. And then we're going to start stuffing it. So now that our mushroom is nicely cleaned, we're going to add our stuffing to it. You just want to take a small amount and then you're going to just stuff it down in the mushroom just like that. And you want to repeat the step until all your mushroom cup is full of delicious stuffing. Just like that. Look how beautiful that is. Then we're going to put some of that mixed Italian and sharp cheddar cheese combined together on top of it. That they're all stuffed and we had our cheese, we're going to add this to the oven at 350 degrees to bake for 25 to 30 minutes. So mine was in there for 30 minutes. This is what it looked like. The mushroom juice was absolutely delicious. Wow. I'm going to cut into it and let you guys see it. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.